Hello anti-agers, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie, the anti-aging princess, and as promised I'm going to finish part 2 of 10 reasons why we should be drinking a glass or 2 of fresh squeezed orange juice in the morning. So we were at number 8. Did you know that a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice supports your adrenals and your thyroid? Yes, the vitamin C, the magnesium, the potassium naturally found in a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice helps you manage your stress response. You know, our adrenals and thyroid are so overloaded, right, from working so hard daily to keep up with the, our daily stressors. And a glass or 2 of fresh squeezed orange juice in the morning to start your day might just be the answer, really, to help you alleviate chronic stress and to replenish our overworked and depleted adrenal glands, because the adrenal glands are very necessary, right, to help balance our hormones, especially the thyroid hormones. Our thyroid hormones are very, very important. Why? Because they can help us. They help prevent us from gaining weight. For example, did you know that the adrenal glands, they produce a hormone called cortisol, right, that in the morning is supposed to help you rise out of bed. It's also supposed to help you feel full when you eat your breakfast and tell you to stop eating. But when our adrenals are so overworked, right, and overloaded, then you don't have you don't get any signal, right, because you don't have any cortisol. So what happens is you keep eating, you never feel satiated. You know why? Because the adrenals cannot function, right, without adequate potassium, without adequate magnesium, without adequate vitamin C and other nutrients that are actually found in something like a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice. So this is what usually happens, for people that don't eat raw food, and they overload their body with food low in nutrients, and also like overcooked food, right? Because did you know that when you cook food, you things like vitamin C get destroyed? Yes, because vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin. If you cook something like spinach or broccoli that are very high in vitamin C, high heat destroy vitamin C, and because vitamin C is water soluble, it goes into the water, and that's it. You lost already, a very important nutrient. We need vitamin C, to help absorb iron. We need vitamin C to repair wounds. We need vitamin C to build collagen in our skin, right? We need vitamin C to fight bacterial and viral infections, right? We need vitamin C to boost our immune system. So vitamin C is very important. It's very good to have your vitamin C from fresh raw food, and something like, a glass or 2 of fresh squeezed orange juice first thing in the morning. So what I want to say is that, in order for us, like to fight stress, to stop piling on pounds and things like that, the solution might just be something as simple as drinking a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice on empty stomach, for your breakfast first thing in the morning. Number 9, all right? Did you know that the sugars actually found in vitamin C are very good for you? You have 3 types of sugar actually found in vitamin C. You have fructose, you have glucose, you have sucrose. But sucrose is a disaccharide. It's 2 types of sugar, that is fructose and glucose. And so fructose gets broken down into the liver to become glucose. So essentially what we are talking about is only glucose. But this is very important. Why? Because glucose, right, is the energy, right, is the fuel, right, that every single cell in our body needs in order to function at its optimum, especially in the brain, All right, did you guys know that glucose supplies all the energy for the brain? And where do you find glucose? In something like fresh squeezed orange juice. You know, you get straight glucose that goes straight into your brain, right? It gives you like a burst of energy. Oof. You know, when you drink a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice. And this is why, you know, people who avoid, sugar from fresh fruit or glass of fresh squeezed orange juice, they are usually prone to like low mood, irritability, a high level of stress hormones called adrenaline or epinephrine and cortisol, because when you're low in blood sugar, right, you need the glucose, right, that influences your behavior in your mind, to help you make a mental effort, to help you make decisions, to help you feel happy, to have self-control. So these people, when they avoid all this sugar, they have high level of stress, epinephrine and cortisol, because the job of these hormones is basically to balance to balance the sugar in our bloodstream. All right, so please don't avoid fresh fruit. It's good for you, the sugar that comes from fresh squeezed orange juice. It helps your brain, it makes you function, right? And when they receive glucose, those stress hormones, they tell the body and the brain, dude, relax, chill, we are good. And it makes you feel good, makes you happy, your brain is functioning, you can make decisions, you are up to speed. So this is what happened, right? Number 10, the last one, and very, very important, you can prevent cancer by drinking a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice. Yes, why? Because vitamin C is an antioxidant, and the job of an the job of an antioxidant is to prevent cancer, right? So what the antioxidant do, is that they prevent the DNA of healthy cells from turning into cancerous cells, right? This is very important. So what does that say? It makes vitamin C, right, the first line of defense against cancer, right, and other serious diseases. Now, one more important thing that orange juice has, more than other fruit, is that it has a special antioxidant called HESPEREDIN, right? And this antioxidant has been shown from research, right, it has been linked, right, to reduce tumor growth and to stimulate apoptosis. So what that means is that the antioxidant hesperidin can actually program the cell death of cancerous cells. Isn't that amazing? I mean, science is, I love science. So that's something that you can get from drinking a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice every single morning. You can prevent cancer. There are even other researches, that are still ongoing that have shown a positive link, with colon cancer prevention. So there is hope that hesperidin can actually be effective in many, many other cancer. So what does that mean is that, a glass of something like a glass of orange juice, in the morning, really is the perfect way to get your body on track to perfect health, right, anti-agers? That's it. That's all I have for you today. Please let me know, what you thought about this video. If you have any comment or anything helpful, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay beautiful, stay positive, stay healthy, stay young, always. All right. Merci. Au revoir.